welcome back to our Setswana lesson. Today you are with Teacher Amu. We will be learning about verbs. Verbs. We all know that verbs are doing words. So in Setswana, a verb is called lidiri or madiri if it's many. Lidiri, singular. Madiri, plural. So now we are going to be learning verbs and we are going to try and connect or build sentences. Verb number 1, we have read. In Setswana is bala, bala, bala. Now we are trying to build a sentence using our verb bala. Ke bala buka. Ke bala buka. That is to say, I'm reading. Me having to read, I'm doing something, which is reading the book. So, bala, ke bala buka. Ke bala buka. I'm reading a book. Ke bala buka. I'm reading a book. Verb number 2, kwala. Kwala, which is write, write. Kwala. Now we will try and build a sentence using verb kwala. Mme o thusa ngwana go kwala. Mme o thusa ngwana go kwala. Mother is helping the child to write. Kwala, which is write. Mme o thusa ngwana go kwala. Mme o thusa ngwana go kwala. Verb number 3 is sing. Sing. Opela. In Setswana is opela. Sing. Opela. Now we are trying to build a sentence using the verb opela. Opela. They are singing hymns. They are singing hymns. Ba opela difela. Ba opela difela. Ba opela difela. They are singing hymns. Thank you so much for having me today, and I hope you enjoyed our lesson. See you next time. Bye.